Welcome to our guide to MetaMask, your gateway to the Web3 world. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about unlocking the future with MetaMask, the leading Ethereum wallet and decentralized application browser. So let's dive in. MetaMask is a browser extension that allows you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and many others seamlessly. It's like a bridge connecting your browser to the Web3 world where decentralized applications and cryptocurrencies thrive. With MetaMask, you can securely manage your digital assets, exchange tokens, and explore a new dimension of possibilities. To get started, simply install the MetaMask extension on your preferred browser. Once installed, you'll create a wallet and securely store your cryptographic keys. These keys are essential for accessing and controlling your funds on the networks, so remember to keep them safe and never share them with anyone. MetaMask not only serves as a wallet, but also as a powerful tool for exploring the world of decentralized applications, or dApps. You can access a wide range of dApps directly through MetaMask, allowing you to participate in decentralized finance, gaming, and more. With MetaMask, you're in control of your own data and privacy. The extension gives you the power to decide how and when to share your personal information. Say goodbye to central authorities and hello to a more secure and transparent internet experience. By using MetaMask, you become an integral part of the revolutionary Web3 movement. You can support decentralized projects, contribute to blockchain governance, and actively shape the future of the internet. The possibilities are truly endless. So if you're ready to unlock the future and explore the Web3 world, download MetaMask today and open up a world of decentralized possibilities. Thanks for watching this guide to MetaMask, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.